Hello everyone. Today we will discuss very important topic for NET PG exam. First is special visceral efferent fibers, general visceral efferent fibers, and nucleus of Tractus solitarius. Efferent means motor fibers and afferent means sensory fibers. So, special visceral efferent fibers refers to efferent nerve which supply muscles derived from pharyngeal arches. Motor nucleus of trigeminal nerve distributing muscle of mastication and function is movement of mandible. Second, motor nucleus of facial nerve. It supplies muscle of facial expression like stylohyoid, posterior belly of digastric, platysma and stapedius, and the function is facial expression and elevation of hyoid bone. Third, the axons of nucleus ambiguus innervate the ipsilateral muscles of palate, pharynx and larynx via glossopharyngeal vagus and accessory nerve, and it is associated with speech and swallowing. Glossopharyngeal nerve supplies stylopharyngeus muscle and function is elevation of larynx. Vagus nerve supplies muscle of palate, pharynx and larynx, and its function is movement of palate, pharynx and larynx. Accessory nerve supplies muscles of palate, pharynx and larynx, and function is movement of palate, pharynx and larynx. Next is general visceral efferent. Efferent means motor fiber. So general visceral efferent fiber refers to efferent neurons of autonomic nervous system that provide motor innervation to smooth muscles, cardiac muscles and glands. The mnemonic for general visceral efferent is Gibbs side. S for superior salivatory nucleus, I for inferior salivatory nucleus, D for dorsal nucleus of vagus, and E for Edinger-Westphal nucleus. Superior salivatory nucleus of facial nerve supplies submandibular and sublingual salivary glands and function is secretomotor. Inferior salivatory nucleus of glossopharyngeal nerve supplies parotid glands and function is secretomotor. The dorsal nucleus of vagus nerve supplies smooth muscle and glands of thoracic and abdominal viscera, and the function is motor and secretomotor to bronchial tree and gut, and this is inhibitory to heart. Edinger-Westphal nucleus of oculomotor nerve supplies sphincter pupillae and ciliary muscle, and function is constriction of pupil and accommodation of eye. Last topic is nucleus tractus solitarius. Nucleus tractus solitarius is a series of purely sensory nuclei forming vertical column of gray matter and embedded in medulla oblongata. Nucleus tractus solitarius is having both type of functional component, special visceral afferent and general visceral afferent. Afferent means sensory. Majority of taste sensation reaches rostral portion of solitary nucleus called as gustatory nucleus. Other general visceral sensation enter caudal portion of solitary nucleus. Functionally, cells of nucleus tractus solitarius play a role in blood pressure control, cough reflex, gag reflex, sneeze reflex, and inspiration. Nucleus tractus solitarius receive general and special visceral afferent via 7th, 9th, and 10th nerve. Functional component of facial nerve is special visceral afferent, and its distribution is along taste buds in anterior two third of tongue, except velvet papilla, and the function is taste sensation from anterior two third of tongue except velvet papilla. Functional component of ninth nerve is general visceral afferent and also special visceral afferent. The general visceral afferent fiber distributed along pharynx, posterior one third of tongue and velvet papilla. Function of these fibers are touch, pain, temperature from pharynx and posterior one third of tongue. Special visceral afferent fibers are distributed along taste bud in posterior one third of tongue and velvet papillae, and it involved in taste sensation from these areas. Cranial nerve 10 is also both functional component, general visceral afferent and special visceral afferent. The general visceral afferent fibers are distributed along thoracic and abdominal viscera, and function is general sensation from thoracic and abdominal viscera. The special visceral afferent fibers is distributed along taste bud in posterior most part of tongue and epiglottis, and it is involved in taste sensation from posterior most part of tongue and epiglottis. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.